Hello everyone, and welcome back to our continuing series on audio assist. This video is going to be covering sound type volume adjustments. In the previous video, we showed you how to decrease and increase the master volume on a WOW sound decoder. And in this video, we're going to be showing you how to adjust sound types. Similarly to the last video, we're going to be entering into audio assist by pressing button number 8 4 times, followed by button 1 from the main menu to select sound programming options. From there, we'll press button 1 again to select sound volume adjustments, and then button 2 to select sound type volume adjustments. From there, we also have 4 buttons this time, which we can use to select our options. We have button 1 and button 2 again being used to change volumes, with button 1 being decrease and button 2 being increase. In addition, we also have button 3 and button 4, which in this case are going to be used to select the sound types. As we scroll through, it is in alphabetical order. So if you press button 3, it will rotate through in a direction, and button 4 will rotate in the opposite direction. So let's say, for example, you were looking for a specific sound type, which is at the end of the alphabet, and then you want to go back, and you missed one, or it's pretty close. All you need to do is just push the other button, and you can rotate either way. It's pretty handy. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to change the prime mover type volume on this. So the horn should remain the same, as well as the bell and everything else on it. The only thing we're going to change is the prime mover volume. So start off, we're going to power ourselves up here. And then I'll give you a sample here of the bell and the horn. So as you can hear, they're quite loud. So we're going to enter into audio assist.
Welcome to audio
And then
assist.
button 1 for sound programming.
Use button 1.
Button 1 for
to
volumes.
Use button 1 to
And then
adjust
button
the
2
master volume.
for sound
Use
type
button
volume
2
adjustments.
to adjust sound volumes.
All right.
Use buttons 3 and 4 to rotate through the sound types.
Which is what we're going to do.
Windshield wipers. Stop sound. Sanding valve. Rotate whistle. Reverse sound. Prime mover.
There's the prime mover. And now we're going to press button 1 to decrease the volume. And audio assist will play a sample of the sound whenever it is selected and you change the volume level. You can hear it getting quieter. Let's put it about there, and then press button number 8 to save.
Saved.
So now if we exit out,
Goodbye.
you can hear that the prime mover is rather quiet, and I can play the horn and the bell. And those sound volumes have not changed. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So we've decreased the volume. Now we'll go ahead and bring it back up.
Welcome to audio assist. Use button 1 to adjust sound volumes. Use button 1 to adjust the master volume. Use button 2 to adjust sound volumes. Use buttons 3 and 4 to rotate through the sound types. Mute.
All right, so it'll remember where you were the last time you were in the menu, provided you haven't powered down. So I push button 3 again, which put me on mute. So if I push button 4,
Use the prime mover.
we're back to the prime mover. And now I'll press button 2 to increase the volume. And then press 8 to save.
Saved.
And so that's how you adjust sound type volumes on a WOW sound decoder. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.